right, all right, all right. Happy, super happy Tuesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally groovy in your neck of the woods. Just firing up the old bus. Gonna go play some early golf with Ranger Dog. Something we do every Tuesday and every Friday just to keep the old arm loose, get some good exercise and some fresh air. So, come along. Follow me and Ranger Dog as we hang out, play some disc golf, and cruise on through this Tuesday. We're here at the Bodocks here in beautiful Ponca City, Oklahoma. As always, Ranger Dog and I are gonna get it started, play some golf. Well, we're here on number 4, Deep Woods Bodock course. Look at all the mud or the water from the lake. That's from the lake. The lake rose like a mofo. Rose like a mofo. So, I'm just being a little cautious here. And I get a little muddy. Not too bad though. Not too bad. Having a lot of fun. Having a lot of fun. Signature hole, number 4. Deep Woods here at the Bodock. So yeah, you definitely don't want to go in this muck right here. You're lucky to get your disc back. A couple weeks ago, mine went in there, and I was lucky. I found it. Boy, the creek's gotten big. Look at that, folks. Shoot. All right, hold on, Ranger. I gotta make a putt. Close. All right, so there's 18 holes on this lovely Tuesday morning. It's a little wet, a little soggy, a little muddy. Something Ranger Dog and I do every Tuesdays and Fridays. Play a little early golf just to stay all warmed up, you know, keep your arm loose. Because Sundays I go play in a little mini tournament. It's for fun, but at least like to make my money back when I go play. So that's the dealio. We're gonna go get in an old VW bus and then head on over, get changed, get the day started. Looking nasty over there, ain't it? It's on its way. Well, folks, the evening is upon us. It's been a gloomy, rainy Tuesday, but I stayed a little busy. Just hanging out in the old VW bus. Ranger's outside doing his Ranger thing. Needed to go outside, so that's where he's at. So I just snagged up his little seat real quick. It's comfy right here. No wonder he likes to sleep here all the time. Well, folks, enjoy your Tuesday evening, wherever you might be. or whatever the time of the day it might be in your neck of the woods when you watch this. And as always, love one another, be kind to one another, be grateful for every moment of the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace, love, and VW Grease.